Okay, everyone, so I decided to do something a little bit different. I went on eBay and I found some of these makeup mystery boxes. I ordered two of them. They were $25 a piece, and they're both in here. So we're gonna unbox these. Let's see what we got. I will take the link to to the page I bought these from, and I'll post it in the description box below. Just so if y'all like what y'all see in these, y'all can order some yourself. Let's get into it. Now you see, I haven't opened it yet. They literally just dropped it off from UPS, I believe. So, let's get this tape off in here. So I did order two of them. So, just to kind of see, you know, what they were. Okay, looks like we have another box. And this is what the inside looks like. So we're just gonna grab one out and see how it goes. Alright, so this is gonna be your first box that you get. And like I said, all of her information, I will link it in the description box below. Okay, so the first box we got, that's what the inside looks like. Some tissue paper. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is some Neutrogena makeup wipe removers, which these I love. Alright, and then we have a lip gloss from Tarte. It's in the color Cuddle. It's just a light pink, which I like that. That's pretty cool. Okay. We have a makeup brush from Sephora. What is this? It says Sephora Ready for Tonight. It's an eyeshadow palette, which that's pretty cool looking. I like the little packaging on it. See, that's what the outside looks like. And then we have a Sephora green tea face mask. Also, we have a little thing of Kleenex, which that's good for your purse. Two little bath bombs. And this, I think she had told me, was like some kind of like little black soap thing. Smells good. And then the last thing in here is we have this little bag. And this has some nail polish strips, a lip gloss from CoverGirl, which is in this color. The color is Colorlicious. And then we have this Clean and Glow blusher set. We also have this Voluminous Million Lashes by L'Oreal denim shades. We have a Maybelline Color Tattoo Pure Pigment. Highlight and Shimmer Gel. We have a CoverGirl Flame Out Shadow Pencil in the color Silver Flame. We also have an NYC eyeliner duet, and the color's Endless Love. And that's it for the first box. Okay. I'll put everything back in the first box, back in here, and we'll move on to the second box. Honestly, I actually like this box, and like I said, I paid $25 a box, plus shipping. I do know she shipped it last night, and I received it today, only because we're both in Florida. So, we're going to start on the second box. So far, I like it. Let's see what's in this one. And again, that's what the inside of the box looks like. Ooh, I'm starting to see some different stuff in this one. Okay. We have another Tarte lip gloss. This is in the shade Twinkle. It's just a lighter color. Okay. Have another thing of tissues. We have a Wet n Wild eyeshadow, large eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. What is this? Ooh, Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Sun Dripped Kit. Ooh, these are some pretty colors. That's what that looks like. And this is a Bronze Summer Tourmaline and Moonstone. I'm guessing this is a blush and a highlight, or a bronzer and a highlighter kit. Oh no, it's just highlighters. That's what they look like. I don't know if you can see those. It's a cute little highlighter kit. I like that. But then again, I'm starting to use highlighters too, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Have another one of them things. We have a Skip the Spa Moisturizing Hydrating Sheet Mask in the scent Watermelon. 2 more bath bombs. Another pack of the Neutrogena makeup removers, which I really do love these, and I needed to buy more, so that's good. Alright, and then we have this little bag, again, different colors. This one has Mosaic Powder from NYX, an eyeshadow duo Major Distraction from CoverGirl, the eyeliner duet. This one is in the shade Color to Define and Black Line. We have a Vaseline Lip Therapy. Also, we have another one of the Salon Effect Real Nail Polish Strips. Okay. We have another CoverGirl Lip Lava. This one is in the shade Live Love Lava. And it's a red. That's what that looks like. Sorry about that. We have a CoverGirl Flamed Out Shadow Pencil. This one is in Gold Flame. My neighbors are being rude. We have a CoverGirl Flamed Out Shadow Pencil. This one is also in Silver Flame. And that, I think, was it for the first box, or the second box. Yeah, that was it for the second box. And I actually am really, really, really happy with everything I got.